Five, six, seven.
If you should ever want to be set free, if you're not certain your future lies with me, I let you go, girl, until your heart is sure. It's a love worth waiting for. Now I won't stop you from leaving, 'cause I know the way to keep you would be to let you go. And I'm prepared to wait 1,000 years or more. It's a love worth waiting for. If you should leave me, oh please remember, in my heart there's a fire, a flame of desire for your charms. I give you life, there's glory and love that will burn until you're back in my heart. You know, my darling, I need you here with me, but only to stay because it's where you want to be. 'Cause I'm prepared to wait 1,000 years or more. It's a love worth waiting for. In my heart there's a fire, a flame of desire for your charms. Love that will burn until you're back in my heart. You know, my darling, I need you here with me, but only to stay because it's where you want to be. 'Cause I'm prepared to wait 1,000 years or more. It's a love worth waiting for. It's a love worth waiting for.
This dance is A Love Worth Waiting For, choreographed by Norman Gifford. It's a 64 count 2-wall line dance. Section 1 starting with the left foot. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, forward, hold. Section 2. Side together, back, hold. Side together, back, hold. Section 3. Rock back, recover, step forward, hold. Step, lock, step, hold. Section 4. Rock forward, recover, turn a quarter, turn left, hold. Cross, side, behind, sweep. Section 5. Behind, side, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold. Section 6. Chassé making a quarter turn left. Side together, quarter turn left. Step forward on right, pivot a half, turn left, step, hold. Section 7. Make a full turn right, stepping left, right, left, hold. Step forward on right, quarter turn left, cross, hold. Last section. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, back. And make a quarter turn left, ready to start the dance on the new wall. Side together, forward, side together, forward. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.